Hi students, my name is Dr. Hadi and I will be your lecturer for this semester for this module, air conditioning and refrigeration for engineering. Alright, I'm sure by now you have learned that our classes will be conducted via e-learning until the month of April, maybe sort of in the middle towards the end of the month of April. And I'm sure that you are both happy and confused at the same time, since you're not maybe familiar with e-learning lecture via on video. If you do, or if you are familiar with it, then it's good for you. Right, so I'm going to discuss on how that this class is going to be done in the first few weeks. Right? Okay. So what you are looking at is my times page entitled Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Engineering. So as if you have known me from previous modules, I like to put my announcements on the first page and I reciprocate it using times message. And here is my welcoming note to you guys about my e-learning methods of delivering the first few weeks of this module. On the red font there, you can see that lectures and tutorials will be delivered via videos and lecture notes. And lecture notes here, I refer to my PDF of my lectures. In terms of attendance, as you can see that a short question will be given and you must submit it. I'll put a Google link drive there. For each of the submission will be equal to 1 attendance. That means no submission, no attendance. Okay, so per week I will give you maybe one question. You can answer it and then post it on the Google link, Google Drive link that I will put it here when the time comes. Yeah. All right. So first and foremost, you can see that these are hidden from you. These are my previous videos, my rewind videos. So I'll hide it because this is from my previous semester. Now the scheme of work, as you can see here, it is dated at March 2019. I will update this to 2020, but pretty much they are the same. If you can go here, so you guys are SOW guys, scheme of work guys, which means that you are the final batches with our old framework through curriculum framework, right? Nevertheless, your learning outcomes are given there. 1, 2, 3. Explain the principle and applications of air conditioning and refrigeration system. Number 2, evaluate air conditioning system based on cooling load calculation, actually tables and psychrometric charts. Number 3, select methods to control humidity, air contaminants and air distribution. So this will be delivered via our lectures. You will have assessments. Now this is a bit tricky since I didn't change it. So what you are going to have is one test. You have 1 assignment, but this lab experiment here, it will be replaced to another assignment. So there will be no lab experiment this semester since you are the final batches. So we will try to lighten up your load by having another assignment. Both assignments will be done via group assignments. So test and final exam will be individual submission, of course. Okay. All right. These are the lectures topics that will be asked or that will be delivered. So you can see it's all there. So I hope I can deliver as best as I can using the videos. So and I do hope in April that we can meet in person. Then we can discuss our lectures in person, face to face. All right. What else? Not much. You are familiar with this. Okay, so this is my scheme of work for air conditioning and refrigeration in engineering. So if we go back to our times page, I will have all these. You can see here, these are the items that we use in this module. You have the psychrometric chart. I believe you're familiar with this from Abdul Karim's class in thermodynamics, or I'm not sure, maybe in thermodynamics. Yeah. Alright, so you are going to use these psychrometric charts, the tables, for this module. Right, these are my lecture notes. I'm going to put all this week 1, 2, 3 until all week 12 here. Alright, you can see that there are a few missing week there. Week 7 we have test. Week 9 to 12 there's a missing there because we might have some holidays there, right? But if there's no holiday, we're gonna go straight ahead and hit all through these lectures, yeah. Right? And tutorials are hidden. I will unhide it one by one until we have finished the week. Right, so maybe on the week 1 I will unhide tutorial week 1 and also the answer, and I will give a PDF of additional question that you're going to answer and submit on a Google Drive that will post it later. Okay, assignments will be hidden as well when the time comes. Using you can refer to SOW when I'm going to give these assignments. Okay, and also workshops, so don't worry, I will help you guys with your exams. I'll give you some workshops that you can refer to as a reference for your final exam, and also test questions will be uploaded when the time comes. Alright, okay, so that's it. This is my introduction video. The first week you will be given a video. I hope I can make a video on time. It's very pressing, since suddenly we have to have video e-learning for this module, where previously we don't have it. Okay, so nonetheless, we do our best, and I will see you on the virtual classroom, and I do hope you remember in person later.